In this video, my friends, I'm going to show you how you can change a tire in your bicycle. As you see, we have the new tire with the same dimension as the old one, and I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, we have to turn our bike upside down because it's more easy for us for doing our job. And now we're taking out the air bulb until all the air coming out. Now we have to disable our wheel by this handlet and this bolt. And now, my friend, for disable the old tire from the wheel, it's better if we have some disable tools like those. It's very cheap. It's not a professional tools, but you have to use some tools like that, because otherwise you can make damage to the tube of our bicycle. We put the first one and the second one a little bit further until we can, with our hand, disable the tire from our wheel. Now we remove the tube, first from the bulb. As we see, we have put an extra tube from the old one. We cut the old one in the middle all around and put an extra tube all around our tube for extra safety, for don't be flat very easy. Now with our hand we get all the tire. We put the new one by watching the rotation. The wheel now is like this, but when we turn our bike upside down it will be like this. So we have to put the rotation with this way, not with this way. Be careful, because otherwise you have to remove your tire again. Now we start with our hands, putting the tire all around. As you see, the one side of our tires. We put the tube again inside, watching for the extra cutted tube we have put. It's a good solution. You can make it to your bike also. Cut the old tube all around in the down side and put it out of your regular tube. Okay, we put the tube carefully. Now we push the bulb, the air bulb, up for putting the tire in that point, and we push it down all around with our hands as long we can. And for the last point, we are going to use our disable tool again. Watch for don't tie the tube, don't catch the tube with this tool at this point. Be careful, otherwise you can make damage to your tube. Okay, now as you see, our tire is in his place. So we are going to put the air valve for blowing our tire. We're going to put much more air above from 35 psi we're putting, and that's why, because we want to go the tire in his plate. The tire goes in his place by putting about the double of the regular psi we have to put in our wheel. As you see, we are putting 60 psi. Now we are removing the extra air until 35 psi. Now we are putting the wheel again. We are taking care the brake disc going in his place between brake pads. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye bye from mastorakos.